In this lesson, we're going to look at the set method difference update. And what difference update does is it will update a set to remove all the duplicates when cross-referenced against another set. So let's get into an example real quick. If we have set 1 equals Alice, Bob, and Charlie. We have set 2 equals Dan, Erica, and we'll do Alice again. And if I do set 1 dot difference update, and we pass that step 2, if we print set 1, you'll see what we get is just Bob and Charlie. Since Alice was a duplicate with set 2, Alice was removed.